Yo, what's up guys? Okay, so yeah, a little paranoid here is we're supposed to be getting the new wheels for the blue Em1 today, but it says they're out for delivery from a town like 30 minutes away from here. I know around what time they usually run, so I was like, okay, so on my lunch break I'll just go to the house and wait. Hopefully they show up then. If not, I had a note on the door saying they could slide them under the garage door. I left the garage door cracked up and stuff. But I passed the UPS truck on the way here, like super close to the house, and I thought, oh no. I was like, he probably got my wheels. I'm like, either they're already there and he dropped them off, or they're not gonna drop them off without signing for them. I had no clue. So now I'm just kind of waiting still, but yeah, definitely can't wait to get the wheels, test fit them, put them on the car, show you guys what those look like. That's gonna look sweet. Then I gotta raise the suspension, get them fitted where I want. Get my alignment done. Today's Thursday. I got parts ordered. I ordered more last night to fix a few things like radiator hoses, the heater hose. I got OEM1, and then just a few other stuff I'll show you later on in the video. I don't want to go into that too much right now, but see, today's Thursday. Monday the car goes to the body shop. Is getting some work done. The hood's getting replaced. They're going to respray the new hood, blend the top of the fenders, fix a few little chips in them. And then there's a spot on the roof, which I'll go ahead and show you guys what I'm talking about, because it does kind of kill the car a little bit. But if you look at the hood, I ordered these from Tire Rack. I highly recommend that you order from them. They got me these out super quick. When you order them though, you'll see a price and you'll think, okay, that's expensive, but I can deal with that. Well, then they add another tax to that when you go to check out. It's like another 48 bucks for these. So the extra tax does suck. That's pretty sweet, and yeah, these are stupid light. Really like these covers in. There we have it, guys. 15x7 plus 35 inky RPF ones. The centering rings are for a Mazda Miata, because that's the only way you can get the plus 35 offset. So yeah, I didn't use. I'm not going to be using the centering rings. I'm going to be using the lug nut kit. So that's them. Next up, we're gonna get some tires put on these, maybe today, and test fit them on the car, see how that goes. What's up guys? Okay, so I got the wheels put on, got the tires mounted, they look great. So I did have to raise the back of the car up a little bit. So, the plus 35 offset to 7 compared to the 6.5, like 41, 42 offset, whatever the stock SI wheels are. Obviously they stick out further. Super happy with the way the wheels look. They look great. So just to continue this video, what I'm going to do today, I'm going to go outside and show you the wheels, but before that, just give you an update on what's going on. So I got the wheels, I'll get the alignment. The alignment will be done Monday, so I still need to put the power steering belt on the cars. I hadn't got around to doing that yet. So yeah, I'm just going to go outside, show you the wheels, and we're going to hop in the car, go for a drive, go to my dad's house, probably where the power steering belt is, because the power steering belt is laying inside my daily. And we're just going to go ahead, throw some power steering on it, and then go get some power steering fluid, and get a few things knocked out on the car today. But yeah, the wheels look great, guys.